Merry Wednesday everyone. If you collect big box PC games, you've surely noticed how easily they get scuffed up. Delamination, bending, wear and tear, rips and splits, and so on. Especially sleeve variants. Sooner or later, they tend to collapse inwards when they don't have a well-designed sturdy inner box. An easy way to flatten a collapsed cardboard box is ironing. We just need an iron with a steam function, ironing board, and also something protective between the iron and the box, like a glove or baking paper like I'm using here. And then we are pretty much good to go. So let's restore a game box to a more presentable state. I made a sturdy insert tray from cell foam to hold the content still, and also so that this collapsing business doesn't happen again. The difference may not be so clearly visible through the camera, but it's significantly better. I also covered some tears on dark areas with a black marker to improve the overall appearance just a little more. Among much bigger projects, there's going to be more of these easy game box restorations in the future. Alright guys, that's it for now. Merry Christmas.